Sabies que a Mar i CEL 7 personatges porten perruca i la més complexa de fer és la del personatge de Blanca? Vam fer un seguiment i vam entendre per què.
What's hiding in here? Pictures from Bedford taken half a blue moon ago. My, we were young then, all mixtapes and alco pops, bum bags, shell suits and meatloaf CDs. Did I really dress like that and dance to that tune? Then stumble home drunk by the light of the moon? I guess times they change and the change times they guess. Nonsense, it still has a welcoming ring. My Weezer CDs, well, they hardly get played. My obsession with Arnie DeFranco has ended. You might ask, is anything certain these days? I would probably tell you that